Welcome back, class. This video will discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please make sure you pay close attention so you know how to complete the assignment properly. And also feel free to pause or rewind this video as needed. So the first question for your entrance ticket is, what is a horizon line? And a horizon line is a horizontal line that represents the viewer's eye level or to show where the sky meets the ground. So as you're typing that definition, just to demonstrate, this red line across the paper is the horizon line. Everything above that line is the sky. Everything beneath it is the ground, or in our case, the ocean. It looks like it's sea level here. So it both sets our perspective as to where the viewer's standing looking at the work, but also separates the sky from the ground. So it is a two-part definition. Please make sure you include both parts in your response for today. And then moving on to the second slide, you should be seeing an image below that we reviewed in the video yesterday during the lesson steps and when you were creating the sketch for your project. But just to kind of revisit that, your question for today is, how can changing the placement of the horizon line affect our understanding of space? And the answer, as we discussed yesterday, is that by putting the line down through the middle, that's the typical placement for the line, that creates a ground level perspective that the viewer's standing on the same plane, the same surface as the scene itself. Whereas if you shift that line higher, you're creating a worm's eye perspective, like you're looking up at something, you're looking up at a hill. And then shifting the line down to the bottom can create a bird's eye perspective, as if you're looking down upon something, so that you'd be at a higher plane looking down onto something else. So depending on how you shift that line will create those different perspectives. So ultimately, just to answer the question, shifting the line will change the viewer's perspective. That's the easiest way to answer that question, definitely the shortest way. So you can create your artwork and put your horizon line in the middle, at the top, or closer towards the top or the bottom. That's your choice. But I would definitely recommend the ground level down through the middle. But you do have the option of changing that if you want to take that creative liberty and put a different look on your artwork. All right, so that's everything for your entrance ticket for today. Please message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, just complete your entrance ticket answers, submit it for 2 points, and then I will see you all shortly in the lesson examples and layouts video, where we are going to discuss some different options for you to choose from as you begin your final project today. And we're also going to look at some past examples to help build your understanding of how creative you can get and how much fun this project can actually be. All right, I will see you all soon in the lesson examples and layouts video. And all right, see you soon. Bye.